Do you know the location of the world's oldest continuously operating baseball diamond?
If you said London, Ontario, you're either super well informed or quick to identify the common theme and ulterior motives of this series.
Labatt Park isn't our only claim to fame when it comes to sports. So here are just 5 famous athletes who grew up in London, Ontario.
Stick around to the end for a bonus athlete who's on track with Olympic gold.
And while you're at it, head over to lovelondoncanada.com to learn how we can help you hit it out of the park.
Diving right in, we've got Olympic medal winner Maggie MacNeil. Before attending the University of Michigan, Maggie swam competitively at Sir Frederick Banting Secondary School and the London Aquatic Club.
Since then, Maggie has brought home 3 Olympic medals, 8 world long course medals, and 11 world short course medals.
She's also won 5 medals at the Commonwealth Games and holds the world record in the short course 50-meter backstroke.
Canadians also love it when skates meet the ice. There's no surprise that local figure skating legends Scott Moore and Tessa Virtue have more awards than we can list in this story.
With an undeniable chemistry and fantastic technical form, the ice dancing duo retired from the sport in 2019.
But only after bringing home top honors from global competitions like the Grand Prix and the World Championships.
The pair's 5 Olympic medals make them the most decorated Olympic figure skaters in history.
There's another frozen sport that stirs up Canadian passions: hockey.
From the World Championships of Hockey to the Olympics, it's clear why Eric Lindros was named one of the 100 greatest players in NHL history.
And that's not all. Eric had something to say about London in 2016.
Eric took the time during his acceptance speech to credit the quality facilities and coaches here as part of his success.
Which may be why in 2008, Eric upstaged his own retirement with a special announcement.
A massive $5 million donation to the London Health Sciences Centre's Fowler Kennedy Sports Medicine Program. And speaking of philanthropy, Calgary Flame and former Toronto Maple Leaf, Nazem Kadri funded a state-of-the-art surgical center in London.
Now, why would he do such a thing? Maybe because he was born here in London and started skating at local rinks when he was just 2 years old.
In his late teens, he played for the local OHL team, the London Knights, before being drafted by the Leafs.
But in true Maple Leafs form, they traded him to the Colorado Avalanche in 2019, missing out on one of the league's most valuable players.
3 years later, Nazem won the Stanley Cup with his new team, becoming the first Muslim player to ever hold the cup.
And let's see if you can guess our bonus athlete.
He's a world champion track and field star,
a 2-time Olympic medal winner, including a gold in 2020,
4-time World Athletics champion,
2-time and reigning Pan American champion in 2015 and 2019.
Plus, he holds the Pan Am Games, Canadian, and the Olympic Games record for the decathlon.
Of course, we're talking about London's own Damian Warner. Did we miss a detail about any of these superstars? Let us know in the comments.
Remember, you can score big when it comes to our region's culture.
Visit Museum London for free to learn about the city's art and history.
And if you want a big city edge without a big city runaround, visit lovelondoncanada.com for everything you need to go for gold.
And why not make it a hat trick? Like and subscribe for more amazing facts and figures about Canada's London.